Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you once again for joining me, and if you are new to this channel, you are welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, today's dish is inspired by Wagamama. I will be showing you guys how to make this sweet and spicy firecracker prawns. It is very simple to make. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I will be using the following ingredients. I have some king prawns. You can substitute this by using tofu or chicken breast. I have some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, Mangetout, ginger, garlic, dried chilies, onion, fresh chili, and spring onion. I will also be mixing together chili oil, jumbo crayfish flavouring stock. This is optional. Some Sriracha sauce, oyster sauce, sweet chili sauce, the sashimi and lime will be for garnishing. For the rest of the sauce, I will add some sesame oil, light soy sauce, tomato ketchup, dark soy sauce, tamarind sauce, and white pepper. I will list everything in the description below. Now I'm going to chop all my vegetables and I will set this aside for later use. Time to make the firecracker sauce. I'm now going to mix everything together. Next, I will be adding the prawns and I'll allow the prawns to marinate in the sauce for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to grate the ginger, garlic, and I'll set this aside for later use. To my wok, I am going to add sesame oil. I'll allow the oil to come to heat, then I will add the prawns. Now I'm removing the prawns from the sauce and I'm adding it to the pan, and I will allow the prawns to cook on each side for 2 to 3 minutes. As the prawns are cooked, I am removing them from the pan and adding it back into the firecracker sauce. Next, I will add a little bit more of the sesame oil. I will then add the onions, grated ginger and garlic and saute until fragrant. Now I'm going to add the bell peppers, the mangetout, spring onions, fresh chilies and the dried chilies. As I don't want my vegetable to be too soft, I sauteed it for 2 minutes. Also, if you do not like spicy food, feel free to omit the dried chilies and the fresh chilies from this recipe. I am now adding the prawns and the sauce to the vegetables, and I'll be mixing everything together. And guys, the firecracker prawns is ready. If the sauce is too dry for you, you can add a little bit of water. I added about 5 to 6 tablespoons of water, and I had a bit more sauce to my firecracker prawns. And the firecracker prawns is ready. Oh my goodness, guys, this smells so good. I could not wait to dig in. Just save your money during this quarantine and enjoy some home cooked restaurant dishes. I served mine with some rice. I garnished it with sashimi and a wedge of lime. Thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do not forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification icon. And I'll see you next time. Bye.